Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing access and a safe copy of your current setup. Backup now so you can recover if needed. Once done, close other programs and plug in power to avoid interruptions. Then, navigate directly to Settings, System, then Troubleshoot or Recovery. These menus contain the reset controls you need. You'll see options for Soft Reset, Full Reset, and Advanced Tools. Make a quick choice. Soft Reset first, because it preserves data while resolving common issues. You now pick the appropriate reset type based on severity. Choose Soft to keep files or Full to reinstall and wipe. After selection, follow the on-screen prompts, confirm your account, enter PIN or password, and review the list of apps that will be removed. Make sure to export logs or diagnostics if you need deeper analysis. If available, use advanced options like Safe Mode or Restore from Backup. These let you test fixes without a full reinstall. You finish by restarting the device and systematically verifying core functions, network connectivity, display and audio drivers, and critical applications. Once stable, restore settings from your backup or reconfigure manually. Make sure account sync and security settings are correct. If something still fails, check exported logs and look for error codes. Consider rolling back the last driver or update, and only then contact support. This approach narrows root causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.